Hi there. Can I get 5 on 9, please? Thanks. Have a great day.
You too.
I feel like she was surprised that I told her to have a good day. And I feel like people don't say that. It's just words, man. Why wouldn't you say? But look at her. Broly. I keep saying Broly because I've been riding her like crazy. And the missus out of commission. R6 cat card hasn't been here in a long time. It's not that I don't love her or I've forgotten about her, man. I thought about her every single day. I ask for updates from the companies every single day because I love her. I love her more than anything, man. She's our girl. And I missed her. So we got 50 miles on about, I don't know how much of a tank. There she goes overheating, man. It's a photo shoot. It's a photo shoot, girl. You should be happy. Your boy's so interested he's taking pics. And they're not even of the naughty nature. They're just pics. Pictures be necessary. The tail section, I love how all my bikes, the tail section is so cut. Slice 'em, dice 'em, Rick Ross 'em. This is my favorite angle though, the side with the exhaust on the side. I can't help it that all my pictures usually be of that nature. Alright, so the pics are done. I like coming to this area, this gas station. I don't know, something about it. You know how like the gas stations over there, you got a car wash and just this open area, bushes, and just mountains and houses and a nice road. And I like stopping here to like just kind of collect my thoughts. And my thoughts, not my thoughts, but collect them. And then just kind of refresh your mind a little bit, stretch out, be grateful for what you have in life, like all this, her, things like that. Look at all the flaws in my wrap. We're gonna be rewrapping her, so not worth it at all. We're gonna be rewrapping her, so it's gonna be really cool. I want to make a video and show you guys all the whatever I did whenever I was wrapping her first time, the mistakes, things you should worry about. Show you guys all my flaws because I did a lot of stuff. Took a lot of shortcuts and just I was at the point where I just wanted to get it done. So that'll be coming soon, and that'll be coming when we're gonna be taking the wrap off the bike and doing it all over again, or giving it to a professional. I haven't decided. I don't know. Let me know if you guys in the comment section below. Let me know. Do you guys want me to wrap it myself and show you guys? The only thing is that it's taking a big risk because I'll have to go super slow. So if I was wrapping this bike again, I would only take I would do this piece right here. I would take it off the bike, take the wrap off of it, do it perfect, and then put it back on. And the next piece I would take off the side fairings and the bottom part. I would do it one by one. Now if I give it to somebody to wrap, they could do it in like 2 days instead of my process of like multiple months, because I'm against taking everything off the bike and wrapping it because I won't have that time anyways. And plus, if all this stuff is off the bike, I can't ride it, and I hate that. I've done that a lot where I start a project and then I'm like, the project is sitting there and I really want to ride, but I can't because the bike's all open like Nimbus right now. But let me know if you guys want me to wrap the bike, because either way I'll still be making a video. And yeah, I have to clean her. She is dirty as hell. If you guys can see that, she is dirty as hell. So we're gonna be cleaning her. I just really wanted to ride her, so I didn't really get into like cleaning her, but yeah, we really gotta clean her. Look at all that. Alright, let's get the F out of here. I was gonna rev super loud and then get the hell out of here, but that's not a smart thing to do since I come here all the damn time for gas and stuff. And I like these people there, and the girl was nice, and no point in burning any bridges. No point in burning any bridges. They took the long way because they wanted to look, and I don't mind that. I do not mind that. I'd never go from here, so let's go from here today. I wanted to try the... See, it feels like a cold day. It is, but at the same time, it's not. It's just something's off. Like, it's all gloomy and stuff, which it should be because the world's a disaster right now. But I'm wearing too many clothes, and I'm not dressed for success right now. I'm not dressed for success. I'm dressed like a douchebag, if you want to describe it. I'm dressed like a douchebag. And my beard that I'm growing out because of quarantine is, keeps going in my mouth because I'm so all sweaty inside because it's hot, but it's not, but it is hot. And I'm wearing a pullover, which I shouldn't be, but I was supposed to in the morning because it was cold, and like there's a lot of different body fluids going around right now within this Batman suit. What I really want gonna do is give his bike to Metric Method and just tell them to like troubleshoot everything and like make sure everything is okay. But right now they're super busy, but whenever they have time, I just want to give them the bike and be like, oil change, everything, just do everything and make sure the bike is 100%. 100%. Like the bolts and stuff, I still have to go in and make sure all the bolts are tight. Because until I do it myself, I'm not gonna be happy about it. I'm not gonna have that confirmation in my body. I was gonna say my booty. Let's say that booty. I want to have that confirmation in my booty that everything is A-okay. I remember when I got my bike back from Bazaars, I had to even ask them, I was like, dude, you guys are 100% sure that the quick shifter works? Because I got burned before where I thought it was working and then it effed me over real hard. Effed me over real hard. So you guys better be 100% that everything is working. You guys tested it before I start riding Kakarot all hard and stuff. Man, her arms all flappy. That is gross. Just work out. It's not that hard. Just work out, better diet, and don't have a... He was looking, then I looked at him, and he looked away. Quit having bodies that are all flabby. Ain't nobody gonna make love to that. And if somebody did, then they won't again. I should have played with the clutch back there, but I forgot! I forgot, man. See, I'm telling you, I love when there's like a background with glass on it. It looks so cool. But at the same time, everybody can see your business, man. Your business. And if you got some freaky things going on, everyone's gonna see it. So yeah, I'm not sure how much I like that anymore. I only like the glass one if you're like high up in the mountains and nobody can see your business, and then I'll do it. They for them rich homies, man. They for them rich homies. I gotta get new rears. I gotta get rear sets. F it, I need to get rear sets because this is not working, these downshifts. My boot is too thick and the rear sets, and this bike is so small, which I like. I really like the bike is small. It makes me happy. I know there's riders there. I just don't want to look at them right now because there's that thing where you look at them, you try to wave to them and they don't see it, but you stare at them and all that sorts of stuff, and I'll just wait until they pass and then we'll wave at them. Grass-fed beef, what does that mean? Cows be grass-fed? But where are they at though? Are there really cows here? I love cows. They're so cute. Where are they at though, huh? Where are them cows at though, huh? And my boot is so thick, man. There's always an issue, right? There's always an issue. Ooh, that was an R6 and I just turned. They're all going right. So having multiple bikes, it's cool and all. If you know how to ride a bike, you can ride any bike there is. There's no issue there. Only thing is that you can't be a master in every bike. You gotta get used to it. So like Broly, Nimbus, and Kakarot, Ducati V4, BMW S1000RR, and Yamaha R6, all the bikes that I am so grateful that I own and that we own, I can ride them all. It's just they all have the little quirks you gotta get used to. Poppin', man, she poppin'. Shorty, blondie be poppin'. Blondie, shorty be poppin'. We gotta pull over so I can try out the voice recorder, the Zoom recorder, the audio recorder, and see if we can get some raw footage of Kakarot. I gotta find a place to pull over. I can't just pull over in gravel. Gravel hates us, man. Gravel hates us. I believe there's a library up here where there's be a lot of nerd shorties, shotties, shorty shotties, whatever you want to say. I like shorties. Because whenever I say shotty, it reminds me of T-Pain, and I don't want that thought in my head of saying the word shotty and T-Pain comes to my mind. God, she is loud. I want you. That's what we gotta pull over, man. We gotta pull over. But since that guy is running on the lane, inside the lane, outside the lane, or whatever, I don't want that to happen with me. I could pull over right here, but there's a library that should be popping up. Have no fear. This is where they have the horses. This is where they have the horses. Man, I am so glad to be back on Kakarot. But she is the first bike that I've ever had. She is what started this channel. Or I started this channel, but then like, you know, she tagged along and did a thing. Look at all that gravel. Oh my God, that scares the hell out of me. Wave, wave! Good. Second guy was a little late, but he did it. I got acceleration right now. That was the library I was supposed to go to, but they closed a lot of it off. What's poppin', son?
Won't you say why